Welcome back, first grade. So inspired by the fun, wonderful book, The Day the Crayons Quit, we are going to make a project with our own crayon characters. So that's what we practiced last week. We got to draw out some different crayons. We could use different facial expressions to show how they were feeling, and they could even say fun things to each other. So we're going to get started on this part today. We're going to do some collaging in order to create the crayons. So these are the materials I have. I have a piece of white paper. I would recommend keeping the paper horizontal side to side. I think that will work better. I have a couple different pieces of color construction paper. So at school, I'll provide this size to you because it works with the stencil that we're using. If you're at home and you don't have construction paper, that's fine. You can just color in white pieces with crayon. All right, I do have a crayon stencil. You, of course, are more than welcome to draw your own crayon shape, but this is here to help you if you'd like it. I have a pencil, glue stick, and some scissors. So what we're going to start with first are the pieces of construction paper, the stencil, and the pencil. All right, so I have 4 colors right here. You're probably not going to be able to fit too many more than like probably 4 or 5 crayons onto that piece of white paper. So just pick which colors you want, and then you can use your stencil in order to trace the crayon onto each one. All right, so I have traced my crayon stencil onto each of my 4 pieces of paper. So you guessed it, we're gonna go ahead and grab some scissors and cut each of our crayon shapes out. All right, so once you have your crayons cut out, you want to grab your white piece of paper. I'm gonna put these all together, there we go, along with your glue stick. And you want to arrange the crayons how you want them to be. So maybe, you know that these 2 crayons are going to be talking to each other. Maybe you want this one to be jumping up. So you can decide how you want to arrange them, and then you're going to use your glue stick and glue them down. All right, everyone, so once you have your crayons glued down to your white paper, hang on to this paper until next week when we get to add a little bit more personality to our crayons and finish this project off.